Ranking my squishies. A lot of them are Neatos. Starting with my least favorite, the Neato pretzel. It's broken and it doesn't squish. The Neato puppet. Like, I don't get the meaning of it, except I do like one like that. Then it flies off.
It's not a Neato, Mia.
Then the foot Neato. Like, I like it, but it's like really hard to squish, even though it's not as squishy. I'm gonna have to say the slow rising. It's like really good and really soft. But
We got some double bubble, guys.
Sorry, my brother's in the background. Foam is not my favorite, but I still like it. I'm gonna say this pink Neato. Like, I like it, but it's really tiny. And there's a little bit of air, but I still like love it. These two like hearts, they're really good. Like, I love them. They feel just like Neatos. I'm gonna say my stand because right now it has a lot of air. Like, once you don't play with it, it's like really good. These two, they're the best things ever. Like, so good.
Mia, those are
Neatos though.
What about you?
And then I have the Sugar Bear. My brother gave me it. Look, Sugar Bear. Say hi.
Hi, guys.
It's playing Roblox, and I'm 2.
Mia,
So
I got
little
it.
gummy bear. Probably this, because it's like really soft with a lot of air. It's not a real Neato though. It's really good though. I love it. Then the big one, instead of the tiny one, it's real Neato. I love it. I'm like obsessed. Then we got the gigantic bum. Literally the best thing ever. Like,
Oh my god.
the only ear out. So good.
Oh my
So
God,
good.
yeah.
So good. Then we got the glow in the dark Neato.
Mia,
It's like really hard, but I love it. Like,
Mia,
so
look.
satisfying.
Mia, can I show you something?
The purple gumdrop.
That
Like,
I
I
got.
love the feeling that I got from my
Mia,
cousin.
cousin.
My cousin. Like, so nice. Shout out to him. So nice. And last, but not least, the best squishy in the whole entire world. The giant Neato crab. Love, love, love it. Not too soft, not too hard. Literally the best thing ever. Like,
That's not.
love it.